How to use photorealistic filters in Photoleap. First of all, open the Photoleap app and wait for it to fully load. Next, tap on Edit Photo from the top toolbar and select the image you want to edit from your gallery. Or tap the camera icon at the top right to capture a new photo. Once your image opens in the editing workspace, look at the bottom toolbar and tap on the Filters option. In the Filters menu, browse through the available photorealistic filters designed to enhance your photo with natural lifelike effects. Tap on any photorealistic filter to preview it on your image. You can adjust the intensity of the filter by using the slider, slide left for a subtle effect or right for a stronger look. Take your time to experiment with different photorealistic filters until you find the perfect one for your image. After you are satisfied with the filter and its setting, tap the check mark to apply the changes. Finally, tap the save icon at the top right corner to save your edited photo or share it directly. And that's it. Now you know how to use photorealistic filters in Photoleap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.